All right, so we're gonna go ahead and test all these engines to see which engines work and which ones need work. So the first one we're gonna start off with is Thomas. Battery contacts are clean. Popping the battery. And the gear is good. Oh, you can hear a little bit. You can hear a little bit of noise coming from the motor. Oh yeah, you see that? The wheel's broken, so we gotta replace it. Replace that. That's why it's not gonna move properly. But overall, he works. So now on to Toby. Battery contacts are in clean condition. Popping the battery. And no power, and it's a broken axle gear. Well, he works. You hear that noise? Broken gear on the inside. Next, we're going to test the dispenser. A little bit of battery corrosion at the front, none in the back. There's a lot of battery corrosion actually. We're gonna test him anyway to see if he works. Oh, he works. He works. So Thomas, Toby, and Spencer are working so far. Next engine we're gonna test is Douglas. Battery contacts are clean. Popping the battery. Oh, he works. Runs a little poorly, but he works, so. So now we're on to test Ben. Yeah, it works, but the gear is broken on the inside. Now we can't really test this James due to broken wires and the tender is flipped the wrong way. We're gonna test Bash next. Battery contacts are in good condition. So we're gonna place the battery. Doesn't work. So we might need to do a little bit of work. So we might need to do a little bit of work to Bash in order to get him to run. And I'm gonna resell the Bash anyway. Now on the Rosie. I feel like this Rosie's a little heavy. I feel like she has a battery on the inside, but we're gonna check see anyway. And if she works, I'll change the traction tires. And Bill has a battery in there. And it's a little corroded at the front. Not, the back isn't too bad. Oh. Did you work? Well, we got her working. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Oh, sorry, speed up a little bit. Now we're gonna test Molly's tender. Battery contacts are clean. There ain't no coupling on the back. I feel like the motor might be dead. Now on the Billy. And this Billy has a black motor. Black motor instead of a white motor, just like my original Billy. But we're gonna test it. And he works. Now on to Percy. And yeah. Wow. See? Corrosion. They don't ever leave the batteries inside y'all trains because they will leak and destroy them. Now, I doubt this Percy will work. Yeah, we're not gonna test it. See all that corrosions at the. So I might just have to like put in a new terminal. So now we're gonna test Stepney next. Battery contacts are in good condition. Test them with a battery. See if he works. Oh, we got him running. So we got Stepney running. So now on to Henry. I think the wires are connected. So let's see if he works. Oh no, nope, the wires are not coming. The wires are broken. Now we're gonna test the next Henry. Ooh. Well, this Henry works. But he will need a little bit of motor work. He'll need a little bit of motor work, but he works. Now on to Victor. Don't worry, y'all. These are the last engines I have to test. And he works. Yeah, Victor works. Now on to Salty. Yeah, he's not gonna work. Now, on to Lady. A little bit of battery corrosion at the front, none in the back. We're gonna test it anyway to see if she's working. And she worked. She works. Now we're gonna test these birdies to see which ones works and which ones need work. That has corrosion. Oops. That one. Oh yeah. Some of these birdie models are different. Battery contacts are clean, but it's missing a wheel. See if he works. Nope, he doesn't work. Now on to this birdie. Okay, this screw is not screwed in properly, so that's why the battery won't sit in. And it doesn't have to switch, unfortunately. So we won't be able to really test this one either. All right, so these engines right here are the engines that work. These right here, however, need work. But overall, it was a fun time testing all these engines to see which ones need to work and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there. And I will be fixing these engines up, see if I can get them up and running. And I will be restoring these guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there for this video.